I want to go on a long list, but I'd just like to specifically thank a few. The Osceola County Courthouse for being able to conduct this trial under such adverse circumstances. We'd like to thank all of the members of the St. Cloud and Osceola County community. We've grown up here, and we've really felt at home and felt the love and support. We'd like to thank the witnesses that came forward, all the witnesses of the community specifically. We know that you probably felt some personal risk, and there was a personal cost to that, and you made a difference, and we hope that encourages people in unfortunate circumstances like this in the future to come forward, because they do make a difference. All the law enforcement involved in this case, all the expert witnesses, the forensic tech, everybody from that standpoint was incredible. Their commitment and work throughout. Governor DeSantis in his office, and Attorney General Ashley Moody in her office for intervening and making sure that the scales of justice were served here. Sorry, I'm trying to remember everybody. Yeah, I'm not going to forget him. Sheriff Russ Gibson and the Osceola County Sheriff's Office, former Sheriff Russ Gibson, for leaving no stone unturned and pushing and pushing and pushing, even when we thought circumstances were bleak. The detectives of the Osceola County Sheriff's Office, I'm almost done. Specifically Detective Cole Miller, lead detective Cole Miller, who is a member of our family, whether he likes it or not at this stage. He's just been incredible. He might be a Gators fan, but he's been incredible. And the members of the 5th Judicial Circuit, the team, Susie Dean, who is probably sick of my emails at this stage, Miss Bridget Kiefer, Jamie McManus, and Ryan Williams. We can't, as a family, thank him enough. Midnight texts, 6 a.m. phone calls, 6 a.m. emails. It's just been an unbearable and painful 18 months. And there's no way that this would have happened without them and without Ryan and his team and Jamie and their incredible effort. And we are so eternally grateful for you and indebted to you. And just from the bottom of our hearts, thank you. It's not going to end today. Now we have to take the deep breath and realize that, we got to move forward without Nicole, which is going to be extremely difficult, but we promised her we'd get justice for her, and we promised her we'd help raise her son Elijah in a safe, healthy, and happy environment. He has been such an incredible kid these last 18 months, and our parents have done such an amazing job. They're the strongest woman in the world. You'll never see another one stronger than her. And we're committed to continuing to do that moving forward. And thank you all for the coverage, the very fair coverage, and respecting our privacy. I know we haven't spoken a lot, and we've really, really appreciated that you've given us the space to deal with this and moving forward, thank you. So that's all I think as a family we have to say. So
this was a really fast verdict.
Yeah.
How thankful are you for that? I mean, this could have been days, overnight.
We're thankful for all of it. And part of that, some of the proceedings, they were talking about the investigation itself. I mean, the investigation was quick. They found a resolution. They found Nicole within days. I mean, in such incredible, the evidence, how they did it, the effort, the manpower, everything about that we're so incredibly grateful for. This could have been a situation that dragged on. And although the situation in between has been painful and at times unbearable, the courthouse, again, we thank for the processes and procedure and timing, and the jurors and the judge and everybody involved for committing to the effort and being expeditious. So
I think it speaks to the tenacity and the work ethic and the values holding behind the detectives, law enforcement officials, and especially the judicial circuit, the team, Ryan and Jamie and everyone else that worked on it. Without your work, I don't think we would have reached the conclusion that we had of it. It's your commitment, their ability to do this job and to do it well, which is, I think, why we were able to see justice served in an expedited manner.
So much of this was about Nicole getting away from the trouble that she had with her husband. I mean, where do you think she would be now with all this happening?
I don't think really we're going to comment on that at the moment. I think right now what we're going to do as a family is we're going to head home. We're going to go spend time with each other and grieve together. I think that's in our best interest at the moment. But again, thank you guys so much for respecting our privacy and just giving a fair and unbiased coverage. And again, a special thanks to everyone that participated today to help bring bring justice for Nicole. Thank you so much, guys.